Here's a pair of Beats Solo 4. I'm going to show you how to pair and connect these directly to a MacBook, iMac, or Apple computer via Bluetooth. First thing is you want to go to your Bluetooth settings. So you can click on the little Apple logo, top left-hand side. And then we're going to go down to System Settings. And then from here, we're going to go ahead and select Bluetooth. Make sure that Bluetooth is turned on, okay? Now, if you look under here or under Nearby Devices, this is searching for any devices near me that's in pairing mode, okay? So now we got to put these into pairing mode, okay? So I have one button right here and I have an LED light on this side, okay? So what you want is if it's blinking white, like white, it's in pairing mode. Mine's not in pairing mode. I have a solid connection, probably because I'm connected to a different device. Let me just press and hold this power button. I'm going to press and hold. I'm going to keep on holding. Just wait until it starts blinking white. Now it's in pairing mode. It's blinking white. Okay. Now under Nearby Devices, let's see if it found it. What do you know? Beats Solo Pro right there. Let's go ahead and go down here and then tap on Connect. Give it 1 second here. And then you can see up here, Beats Solo 4, it says connected. I have 54% battery juice. And there you go. Now, if you had issues where you couldn't connect or you couldn't put in a pairing mode or you have some kind of issue, you can always factory reset these as well. If you need to do that, go ahead and look in the link below. Okay? Good luck, guys.